Hello guys, right, today I'm going to show you how to redo your, there you go, that's better, how to redo, reflatten the blade on your screwdriver, on your flat blade screwdriver. So first thing you want to do, obviously I've done this to an extent just so you can see the difference. Obviously it wouldn't be that bad usually. So first thing you want is you want one of these. A grinder, any sort of grinder will do. Some safety goggles, and ideally a tub of water. But I haven't got one handy, so we'll just do it without for now because this is an old screwdriver anyway. So you're going to want to fire up your grinder like that, and then you want to get the end which is highest. You're going to want to put that flat against the thing onto there to flatten that off. You see how much better that is already. So you're going to want to do that so it's nice and flat. Like that. And then what you want to do is, well, you dip it in some water now, and then you're going to get the sides of it. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to do that by just having it on the sides. Shouldn't really do it like this, but it's the way I do it. Like that, so it's making it flat. Like that. Then do the same on the other side. And then obviously you dip that in some more water. And obviously you dip that in some water again now, because that's quite hot. And then as you can see, nicely done end again, so it's nice and flat, and it's quite thin on the end as well, so you can get into your screws with quite a thin things, as well as your, that's not good, as well as your quite thick ones, like the quite wide things like that one. See, that fits in nicely now. I can just spin that around like that. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll post another video soon. Bye.